Open sesame. Where are we? We are at the Emporium. And where's this Emporium? It's in the heart of Melbourne city. It's an amalgamation of good food, luxury stores and lifestyle events. But are we here just to shop, dine and have fun? Not quite. I'll give you a hint. I am dressed in florals from head to toe. You can see I've got floral earrings, floral top, floral bag. So obviously this is something to do with flowers. Join me. This will be mind-blowing. We are looking at Fleurs De Villes or Flowers of the Cities exhibition. This is a traveling exhibition. They travel from city to city and tie up with local florists and nurseries to bring you these kind of fabulous creations. So today we will be covering all the exhibits and perhaps speak to some of the makers, the designers behind the scenes who are responsible for such awesome creations. This mannequin is inspired by the can-can dancers of Moulin Rouge, the musical. The artist has likened the spirit of the can-can dancers to survivors. Say, survivors who battled and won, defeated breast cancer. Now, isn't that an innovative idea? Each flower must grow through dirt. How beautiful is that? This mannequin resonates with me. It focuses on the power of floral therapy. Floral therapy that brings inner peace, joy and healing. This one also raises awareness and funds for breast cancer research. And this one, as you can see, no prizes for guessing. It's inspired by sustainability. So it's created from green waste, collected from where else? But the Royal Botanic Gardens. You know, all the trimmings, the clippings, the fallings, they've all been assembled into this beautiful creation. Mary Mikko, the Finnish fashion house, founded in 1951. And its iconic unico or poppy design. So you can see the poppy design on this particular mannequin. This mannequin again uses mostly sustainable, biodegradable and natural material. It's a collaboration between Firefly and Thrive Flowers. It embodies a woman's strength and fragility, her nurturing qualities and her connection with nature. The mannequin on my left is inspired by Gorman. Now, who is Gorman? Gorman is an Australian label founded some 23 years ago. Known for its iconic, bold, colorful prints, Gorman is also about natural, sustainable eco-textiles. So naturally, it's very dear to my heart. DIDA, as you know, is all about color, and so is Gorman. And this one, so special for us. And you'd ask why? Because this has been created by our very own Delaney Schulte. So if you've been watching DIDA and Learn with Samita, you have seen Delaney in conversation with me, where she explains how she is a sustainable florist. So behind me you can see this is Delaney's creation.
Hi, so I'm Delaney from Dope Florals. So I'm here at Emporium and we're part of an exhibit. It's called Rosé. Ooh, got a little flyer. So it's called Rosé. It's a bunch of mannequins that different florists from around Melbourne have dressed up in flowers. So I have a mannequin here It's based on the kind of mascot of the QT Hotel in Melbourne. So it's a very fierce, kind of dark, brooding sort of figure. So yeah, she's up on level 2. And today I have a market with all my flowers.
This mannequin again focuses on the healing power of nature. So it's about a little girl who's isolated, feels isolated from everything and everyone, but connects with nature and the bees. If you are liking our videos, you know what to do. Like, comment, share and subscribe, because all of that inspires us to do better. And if you'd like us to cover a particular topic, mention in the comments below and we do our best. As of now, this is Samita signing off. Bye for now. Till next time.